Hello and welcome. Greg here from Crewe SEAT, bring your attention today to this lovely looking SEAT Ateca. Finished here in the Experience trim, 1.5 TSI petrol, 150 PS, as well as mated to a DSG automatic gearbox and finished in lava blue. Standout features will include full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as these 5-spoke silver alloy wheels which will really stand out. Boot space can easily swallow weekly shopping with 60-40 split folding seats, as well as a ski hatch as well in the centre. Cabin in the back will offer loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3 passengers, finished here in Alcantara and part leather. There's also independent rear air vents with USB Type-Cs, whilst decorative door and dash inserts in the front can be found, as well as upgraded front bucket sports seats for added comfort. The driver can enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, incorporating cruise control, as well as the colour TFT screen up ahead. The car even features with a road sign recognition camera, as well as city emergency braking, lane departure warning, as well as speed limiter. Sat-nav guidance, music and Bluetooth contacts can be easily operated from the steering wheel, and the car even benefits from Park Assist semi-autonomous parking system. Moving over to the centre, 9.2-inch infotainment touchscreen will have all your entertainment needs covered and features 2 screens. FM and DAB digital radio reception is available, as well as built-in sat-nav to ensure you never get lost. Media source inputs will also be available, such as those displayed on the screen, and pairing your phone is incredibly easy. The car even benefits from full link Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection, giving you next-level connectivity with your device. Numerous vehicle settings will also be available in the function of the driver assist, and also you can fully enjoy various other vehicle settings, allowing you to personalize this Ateca to truly make it your own one. Whatever the weather, easy to use 2-zone climate control system can be easily operated when on the move as well. Helping you park, you'll be pleased to know there are front and rear audible and visual parking sensors along with a rear view camera. The aircon can also be easily operated via physical shortcuts further down, and there is storage for your device with a wireless charger too.